Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the CASCHO Bluetooth in-ear headphones. These are true wireless Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds. 5.3 Bluetooth is the newest generation of Bluetooth communication, so you have a good and nice connectivity. 37 hours of playback time is possible. Ipx7 Waterproof with deep bass function with an LED light emitted diode display. These are true wireless headphones with USB-C quick charging possibility for travel and conferences. Of course, if you're going to use them as a sport, it's nice too. They're comfortable to wear. These are in-ear Bluetooth headphones with ultra-light design. The earphone weighs only 3.2 grams. The shape of the headphones adapts perfectly to the inner contour of the ear and ensures a fatigue-free listening experience, no matter how long we use it. The LED digital display and the Tepy-C, with Tepy-C as a charger for fast charging, it only takes 1.5 hours to be fully charged. Of course, you have to need a power source separately, so you can use, for example, your smartphone AC adapter for it, and then you use USB cable with a USB-C connectivity possibility to reload the base in only 1.5 hours if it support quick charge. At the same time, the wireless earbuds are equipped with a clear digital display of the power supply, so we can check the energy status in real time if we like. And we have upgraded Bluetooth 5.3. The wireless headphones use the advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology for faster connection and more stable transmission. So that's a nice transmission speed because they're a real Wi-Fi. So we can enjoy constant and stable connection even in areas with complex signals. The 23 or the S23 automatically connects to our phone when we open them and remove them out of the charging case. We have deep bass, the built-in 14.2mm dynamic coil with TPU composite graphene membrane, which provides a finer and more pronounced high and mid-range and produces shocking strong bass. In this price range, okay? And Ipx7 Waterproof. The S23 is Ipx7 Waterproof rated and features a unique nano waterproof material that can withstand rain and sweat. The charging case, of course, is not waterproof, so we use the Bluetooth headphones only the headphones itself. The earbuds we can use in rainy conditions, for example, but not the charging base. Because of this, of course, we are going to wipe over the earbuds before we get it back in the loading charging case. To connect these earbuds, we are going to remove them out of the charging base. Then we open on the phone the Bluetooth connectivity, and then after a couple of seconds we are clicking to the S23, and then they are going to pair each other. If the earbuds has any connection or function problems, we reset the earbuds, for example. We delete the Bluetooth pairing information on the phone, as shown here in that video, and we put the earbuds back into the charging case to recharge them. We take out the earbuds and wait for 20 seconds. If this does not work, we try it again, but it will work because it's easy to perform this. If we're going to operate them, that means we can use that at a headset too. For example, let's go to it. We push 2 times, or we click 2 times on the touch buttons on the right or left side. First is on the left side we are pushing. That means the play mode, and pause mode is on the right earbud. Then we push and hold it for 2 seconds. That means means we can switch to the song, the previous song, and on the right earbud we go to the next song. If we push it only one time on the left side, we adjust the volume down. At the right side, we raise up the volume a little bit. If we push it for 5 seconds, on the left side we power on the right side we power off. But you does not need that, because if you connect them into the charging case, it will automatically switch off. And if you go and take them out of the charging case, they will automatically go on. If we have a phone call, we can answer and hang up, answer left earbud and hang up right earbud. Push 2 times. 2 seconds hold while there is a phone call. We can reject the call, left or right. Siri, for example, or Google or whatever, that means voice assistant, we can enter to it by pushing it or clicking it 3 times, left or right, as you can like. And then you can enter the voice assistant. If we can connect it, but there is no sound, for example, we click the right earbud to increase the volume first. One of the earbuds cannot be charged. Then we clean the charging contacts of the earbuds and the charging case itself. One of the earbuds cannot be connected. We reset the earbuds as told you. And if the earbuds cannot be charged, we activate the we look that the power source is a quick charge device. Maybe this will help. And we looked at the connections. We keep the product away from extremely hot and cold environments, and it will be damaged the battery and circuit of keys. We avoid liquid immersions into the product. We do not disassemble the product. We do not use the concentrated chemical products or detergents to clean the product. We use only 5 volt 1 ampere power supplies. We connect the power supply voltage too high may cause the serious damage. We do not randomly discard or place the product near fire or high temperature to avoid the danger of explosion. It is rated to all safety instructions, so you can buy it all over Europe. It's RoHS certified, FCC, CE, UKCA, and it is easy to use, as you can see on it, and it makes in this price range a good sound for you. These are the CASCHO Bluetooth in-ear headphones here. These are the S23. These are nice earbuds to make a good sound while you're exercising, while you have a conference, while you go on travel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.